Hello everyone. So today I will go through how to type Japanese language on your phone. So in this video my phone is iPhone, so I'm gonna use iPhone, but I think most of phones works the same. Okay, let's get into it. Go into setting, then press general, scroll it down, tap language and region, tap add language, then you find Japanese. Once you add Japanese on your phone, go check your keyboard, then tap the world button, then Japanese keyboard will show up on your phone. So now we are finally ready to type in Japanese. On your Japanese keyboard, you just added, you see Akasatana, Hamayarawa. So the question is, what is the rest of about like 40 letters? And the answer is here. You can simply tap over twice, then other hidden letters like I, U, E, O, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko will show up. So you can type it like this. So here's the trick. Tap and hold each buttons. You will see all hidden letters. So what you need to do is hold the main button, then flick up, down, right, left, whichever letter you want to type. Then once you get used to it, just like this, flick everything so quickly. Then if you want to type ga, gi, gu, ge, go kind of sounds, just type ka first, then tap the left bottom button, so you will get those dots on ka, then make ga, gi, gu, ge, go, zachi, tsuze, zo. Papipupepo works the same. Go to the same button but tap twice. What about small letters such as ka, sha, nya? Just type ya or you or yo normally, then tap the left bottom button again. Then ta-da! Ya got smaller. But if you want small too, you gotta tap twice, cause first tap work as adding dots, so don't forget to do double tap. Just type Hiragana first, then you will see Katakana option right above the keyboard. Kanji works the same way. Just type in Hiragana, then you will see suggestion on the above the keyboard, so you will tap the right kanji from there. Also, if you'd like to add comma, period, question mark, you should tap the right bottom button. You can find kaomoji, which is very Japanese thing. So just go into the bottom left and tap it, and you see lots of options there. And if you want to type numbers, press the middle left button, then you see numbers here. By the way, this is the enter key, and this is the space key. So that's it. I don't know. I think it was pretty much easier than you thought. So if you have enough knowledge about Hiragana, you can type pretty much anything, because the phone's gonna translate to Katakana and Kanji automatically anyway. So, and I also have how to type Japanese on your keyboard, like laptop. So you don't need special Japanese laptop to type Japanese on your computer or laptop. So I'll link here or there below. Anyway, so have a look if you're interested, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope